Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to log in an Uber Eats merchant account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. For this, simply open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL merchants.ubereats.com. Once you do this, you will end up in the official website of Uber Eats Merchant. Now, if you are new to the Uber Eats Merchant, then you need to simply fill in all the details that I have been asked and hit the submit button. However, as we are logging in, all we need to do is simply tap on the login option, and once you tap it on, you will end up in this kind of interface to simply choose Uber Eats Manager. After you do this, you will end up in this screen where you need to type in your phone number or your email that has been registered, or you can also sign in with Google or with your Apple ID. You can choose any of the methods that have been provided to log in into your existing account. So by following this way, you can simply log in your Uber Eats merchant account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos like this, so stay tuned till we come back with another video. Thank you for watching.